Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Farmer Ian reporting from the field here at Belvedere Plantation. Today, my grandfather, Farmer Mac, is harvesting our winter wheat crop. Here in Virginia and in most of the southeast, we harvest a soft red winter wheat. And we have a borrowed combine here. It's about one of the biggest combines John Deere has to harvest our wheat. Let's take a closer look and hopefully we won't get caught up in the combine. Or drop the cell phone in the combine for that matter. Combine is really dusty. You have to combine when all the wheat is dry. Here's the back end of the combine. Now all we have left in here is the wheat straw and the chaff, and we'll bale that to put in the fun barn. And we'll see the baler here in just a second.